News just in, ICC has issued a statement on the Sydney racism incident. The ICC has reiterated its zero-tolerance policy towards discrimination of any kind. Karishma brings us more details of that statement.
Well, yes, Aarti, the ICC has in fact made a statement now after Cricket Australia also made another statement regarding the entire racial abuse incident that happened at the Sydney Cricket Ground. And ICC has reiterated that it has zero tolerance policy as far as racism is concerned, and they are going to help the Cricket Australia in whatever investigation they are going to carry out in this particular matter. But more importantly, Aarti, now the captain of the Indian cricket team, Virat Kohli, has also tweeted saying that racism is unacceptable in any form, and this incident needs to be looked into very, very closely. So now, Indian cricket captain Virat Kohli, who is in India for paternity leave, has also tweeted about this particular incident, saying that this is not acceptable and this needs to be looked into. So there is going to be strong action that will be asked of Cricket Australia and also the International Cricket Council as far as this particular incident at the Sydney Cricket Ground is concerned, because the BCCI, the Indian cricketers, are determined that this is not going to be let off as a one-off incident, because this has happened one too many times in Sydney, and there needs to be proper action that needs to be taken against these particular fans so that an example is set and incidents like these are not repeated. Like R. Ashwin said, we live in an evolved society and there is no place for racism in the 21st century, and incidents like these should be dealt with an iron fist.
Absolutely, they certainly should be dealt with an iron fist, especially Sydney has become a bit notorious, Karishma, for instances like this. As Ashwin was telling us, this is not the first time something has happened like this. But as per ICC protocol, what happens now? Is it just limited to players reporting the incident and certain fans, spectators being thrown out, or is there any further action at all that can be taken?
Well, Aarti, there is an entire constitution code of conduct by the ICC in this regard, which means that once the culprits are identified and the investigation which is underway by Cricket Australia and the New South Wales Police is done, there are going to be further sanctions on these spectators, which could result in a lifetime ban from entering any stadiums, or it could be some periodic ban for some point in time, or there could also be, legal cases against them. So there are all kinds of provisions there in the ICC Code of Conduct. It will now be up to what the outcome of the Cricket Australia meeting investigation and the ICC investigation that comes out, and accordingly action will be taken on these particular fans, because like I said, the BCCI is determined that this is not going to be let off as a one-off incident. Racism is something that many cricketers, former cricketers of India, have also faced. We've seen Harbhajan Singh also recall incidents of how he's been treated in Australia. So the BCCI very resolved to make sure that something like this is not repeated, and that is why even Virat Kohli coming out and supporting his players and saying that something like this cannot be allowed to happen.
Certainly not. Karishma, thank you so much for bringing us all those updates. A series of rapid developments unfolding after play was halted for a few minutes in Sydney early this morning, after there was another case, in fact, of racial abuse by spectators who were actually removed. 6 fans were later removed. And we've seen a number of reactions coming in, including from Virat Kohli, who has said racial abuse is absolutely unacceptable, having gone through many incidents of really pathetic things said on the boundary lines. This is the absolute peak of rowdy behavior. It's sad to see this happen on the field. Indian skipper Virat Kohli, who remember is in India currently on paternity leave, reacting as well, saying that this is sad to happen. It's sad to see this happen on the field, and he has said this is the absolute peak of rowdy behavior.